Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cancel your Crunchyroll subscription. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now, just a quick tip, if you would like to get Crunchyroll or any other subscription for a much cheaper or better price, click the first link in the description or the first link in the pinned comment section below, which will send you to GamsGo. It's a website that I've been personally using for the past 3 years, and it basically have all the subscriptions for a much cheaper price since you're sharing the same account with other people, just like a big family. So you can find Crunchyroll right here once it becomes available again, but until then you can have other subscriptions such as your Netflix, where you can click on it and you can get 3 months for the pure price of 15 euros rather than 60. And so from here, have a promo code and write the code GUMMY to get your additional 5% off from our side. Now, to simply cancel your Crunchyroll subscription, you can go to the top right section where you can see your profile right here, and then from here you can go to the settings. Now from the settings you can go to your account, which we're going to have your membership info right here. Now in case you had already a subscription, then it will show a big button on the bottom that says cancel subscription, and then from here you can simply click on it and it will showcase that. It will check a box and then you will leave it, and then it will be cancelled until the end of the paid month. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.